today's video I'm going to be doing an eyelash tutorial.
Hold me close till I get up.
Featuring the brand Coco Lash.
Time is barely on our side.
If you guys would like to see how I apply my false lashes, please continue to watch. One of lashes we're going to be using today is called Coco Lash, and it's a newly launched business, so please go ahead and check them out. All of their links will be down in the description box. I have basically everything that I need to apply the lashes, with the exception of mascara. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the products. So first we have is the Coco Lash eyelashes, and this is in the style Breadfruit Alley.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Is the Coco Lash adhesive.
And on we'll go.
And this is a black glue. So here we have the eyelash scissors as well as the eyelash applicator. So you need to get your lashes and measure them, because depending on your eye shape, it may be too long and you may need to cut it, right? So that's where the lash scissors come in. I'm just going to take the lash tweezer as well as the eyelash, and I'm going to measure it to see if it's too long. If you have another reason it's important to cut your lashes is, like, if it's too close into the inner corner, when you close your eyes it would kind of like poke in your eyes, and that feels very uncomfortable. I'm just gonna cut off a very small piece on the side of the lash.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
When you're trimming the lash, you want to ensure you're trimming from the outer corner and not the inner corner, because lashes usually, the styles usually like flare out. There's excess you can cut from the outer corner, but if you cut from the inner corner, it will mess with the shape of the lash. Now I'm just gonna apply a bit of mascara on my lashes, and this is just going to help them blend well with the false lashes we're gonna apply.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So now we're gonna apply the glue to the eyelash. I like to apply on the back. To apply a very small amount on the top of the lash, and then I also like to apply some on the outer and the inner corner, especially the inner corner. A lot of times your inner corners raise. So another very important step is you want to ensure you allow the glue to get a bit tacky, because if you don't, it wouldn't stick and it will be very messy. So you want to ensure that you're allowing the glue to dry for like 25 to 30 seconds. Looking down into a mirror, and then we're gonna apply the lash right in the center of the eyes, and then go ahead and fix the inner corner and the outer corner, and then I like to close my eyes and just kind of like push the lash upwards like this so that it can blend. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other eye. So gonna go ahead and trim it again. Always remember to trim from the outer part of your lash and never the inner, because you will mess up the style of the lash. If you're gonna apply some mascara again. I'm going on to applying glue to my to the lash. So just like I did with the other one, I'm applying glue on the back. And then I apply a small amount to the top. And then I apply a little bit extra on the inner and the outer corners. So now that we have the glue on, you want to ensure that you allow the glue to get a bit tacky. This is, if you want to speed up the process, you could blow on the lashes, you could Zafran, anything, but you want it to get a bit tacky. Now we're applying it into the middle of our eyes. We're gonna fix the corner. So we have the outer corner, and then we have the inner corner.
On we'll go.
Okay, so this is the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it was helpful and you learned something new. If you did, please give me a thumb up, comment down below, free to leave recommendations of future videos you guys would like to see. Subscribe, and when you subscribe, please turn on your post notifications so that you won't miss any future videos when I upload. So follow me on Instagram, the link will be down in the description box. Lastly, please do not forget to check out Coco Lash. Their link will also be down in the description bar. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.